And I'm Evelyn, and this is our instructional video on how to bake a pink cake.
You're gonna need strawberry cake mix, pink icing, pink sprinkles, 3 eggs, a measuring cup to measure 1 cup of water, and a ½ cup of canola oil. A 13 by 9 inch pan, non-stick cooking spray, and a pair of scissors.
Okay, and then beat cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in large bowl. Mix until moistened. Beat with mixer on medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour batter in. Okay, I'll put pan. And now we'll set a timer for 2 minutes. We're going to use the icing now since it's cooled for 20 minutes. Okay, sadly we've run out of what supplies we had left of this, so we're just gonna smear our design.